Okay, it's December 19th. The big snowstorm is arriving to New York City. Working our way up to West Point. Hopefully I can make it without too much trouble. We shall see. And it is turning into a winter wonderland, just like the song I was listening to.
The elves were themselves. They were in quite a pickle.
Now, in the distance over there is actually the Intrepid. Now, this is proven to be a pretty snowy day. Some accidents that have already occurred, like this one right here. Look at those, the Intrepid. Very nice. Just reopened this year. It is snowing, baby, and approaching Columbia, my alma mater. Area around school is looking like a winter wonderland. George Washington Bridge. Appropriate music.
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Palisades Parkway. Okay, the two-lane highway has now reverted to one. The road is very treacherous. Hopefully, you can get up there and get back before the other side becomes a problem. Okay, thanks to Lieutenant Colonel Sullivan from Breezy Point, New York, who's a West Point officer now. I am bailing off of this road and going home. My son just called me to tell me that he has offered to ride all the cadets over to Garrison, so I'm going to meet them at Grand Central Station instead of trying to get all the way up there. I'm going to end up crashing in his car, I think. Okay. Okay, going home. Hopefully I'll get there safe and sound. Okay, I'm now looking at the northbound side of the highway, trying to really slow down. That's a big issue. There's probably trouble up ahead. So thanks to Colonel Sullivan, I've avoided it. Now I'll just go back to Grand Central and pick up the cadets. But traffic only goes that slow when things start happening up ahead. There's also, amazingly enough, no traffic on my side of the road going south. Now the only reason that happens is that there's an accident behind me. Holy cow. Oh boy. Stuck here.